Welcome back to MSA Tech Channel. Today we will dive together in social engineering. But first, did you know that social engineering attacks are one of the most common ways that cybercriminals gain access to sensitive information? In fact, social engineering attacks are responsible for more than 90% of successful cyber attacks. So, don't miss this eye-opening journey into the dark side of human psychology. What is the social engineering, and its importance? Social engineering is a manipulation technique that exploits human error to gain private information, access, or valuables. Cybercriminals use social engineering to trick victims into taking actions that go against their better judgment, such as breaching security, sending money, or giving up private information. Social engineering is important because it is one of the most effective ways for cybercriminals to gain access to sensitive information. It is also one of the most difficult types of attacks to defend against because it exploits human nature rather than technical vulnerabilities. What is different types of social engineering attacks? There are several types of social engineering attacks. Here are some of the most common ones. Phishing. Phishing is the most common type of social engineering attack. It involves sending messages designed to trick or coerce the target into performing some action. For example, phishing emails may ask the target to click on a link or download an attachment that contains malware. Baiting. This type of attack involves offering something enticing to the target, in order to get them to perform an action that will compromise their security. Pretexting. This type of attack involves creating a fake scenario, in order to get the target to reveal sensitive information. Scareware. It is a type of cyber attack tactic that scares people into visiting spoofed or infected websites for downloading malware, the malicious software. Scareware can come in the form of pop-up ads that appear on a user's computer or spread through spam email attacks. Smishing is a form of phishing which uses social engineering to trick someone into revealing private information. However, the attack is executed using a text message. In many cases, the smisher poses as someone you know or authorized to ask you for sensitive information, such as tech support staff, government workers, a bank, or another financial institution. So, what we can do to prevent social engineering attacks? Here are some ways to prevent social engineering attacks. Number 1. Train your employees on security practices. Number 2. Conduct penetration testing to identify vulnerabilities. Number 3. Have methods to detect, monitor, and alert security incidents quickly. Number 4. Use strong passwords and change them regularly. Number 5. Use security authentication such as multi-factor authentication. Number 6. Keep your software up to date. Number 7. Use antivirus software and keep it up to date. Number 8. Be cautious of unsolicited emails or phone calls. Number 9. Verify the identity of the person or organization before sharing any sensitive information. Number 10. Limit the amount of personal information you share online. And now let me show you some cool facts about social engineering. Social engineering is the oldest trick in the book. It's not a new phenomenon. It has been used throughout history in various forms to deceive and manipulate individuals or groups for personal gain, espionage, or warfare. The term social engineering was first coined by the famous hacker Kevin Mitnick in the 1990s. The 2015 hack of Hacking Team, an Italian surveillance software company, revealed that they used social engineering to sell their spyware to governments and organizations worldwide. In 2017, a social engineer famously convinced Twitter employees to provide access to high-profile accounts, resulting in the Bitcoin scam where tweets from verified accounts asked for Bitcoin donations. Social engineering attacks are responsible for 93% of successful data breaches. The Robin Hood social engineering technique involves hackers justifying their actions as morally right, like hacking a company to expose security flaws. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for content that is more informative. Stay safe, and see you next time.